Mr. V. Sekhar. He is Chief General Manager R&D BEML. He is BE from University of Madras, ME Production from Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. He is involved in design of heavy equipment, powertrain and hydraulic aggregates such as transmission, torque converter, final drive hydraulic cylinders, gear pumps, hydropneumatic suspensions, etc. He received Society of Defense Technologies Award, Technology and Innovation Award, and NRDC Innovation Award. He has patents for a control system for automatic transmission and filed 58 patents as R&D team head. Today, Mr. Sekhar will talk about emerging technologies for heavy earth-moving machinery.
So it's very nice to have this webinar and give an opportunity for this particular webinar on talking on emerging technology. As a BML, okay, we can say, I think everybody may be knowing that. So we are one of the leading earth-moving equipment, we can say pioneer in India. So we can say domestic, all other OEMs when compared to that. So we are the first indigenous company. We stand on our own, and we will be always watching the global watch also, what is the global is going there. And we are very much contributing towards the Atmanirbhar. So in this regard, what is globally happening there? How to bring the technology to the country so that we can be self-reliant, we can be cost-effective, all those things. So in this scenario, so we are also just working on that. So we want to just highlight to the participant or delegates to inform that what is the current trend is going on and where we are working on that and how to meet the global demand. So just I want to share it. So this is the OEM focus, whatever is there. So present scenario. So this is a thrust area. Every OEM we wanted to give it. So it means, so kindly if our customers would like to interested on this to improve their productivity, whatever technology come to India, technologies we are adopting on the OEMs, it has to give benefit to the customers in that regard. So they will be interested on to go on more productivity and lesser fuel consumptions. And next for improving the operating efficiency, how many hours, because currently, so all the construction equipment and mining equipment being operated to the extent of around 16 to 18 hours. So in fact, they are expecting to be operated more than 20 hours also. So they want to improve the operating efficiency, lower the downtime, and improve the reliability. And the next is enhancing safety. So today, this is the thrust is coming that even DGMS, other agencies or BAS also, they are going to emphasize very much on that. So more and more standards are getting released on that. So the current technology is more focused on the enhanced safety. And next is the reduced cycle time cost, life cycle. So even when technology goes up, there will be a huge capital investment. So how to able to bring down the life cycle cost? So they are talking, for example, earlier all the machineries are their capital cost has been accounted maybe around 7 years. Now it is going as high as around 9 years. So it can be reliability has been improved, so that the life cycle cost also is going to become down. So this is the 4 areas as a present trend. All the OEMs are getting focused on that. So further you go on that. So in the 4 area, how it is getting narrowed down. So you can say that all the OEMs are looking into the alternate drivetrains. So currently this conventional drivetrains are there like diesel engines and conventional transmission and for drives and all. So we are looking after our alternate drivelines where the diesel electric hybrids are getting more and more. It has been looked at that, and full electric and battery operated powers also is coming. And next coming for energy saving systems, so where we can able to save the energy, where the current energy capitalization from the diesel engine, from the calorific value of diesel. So how do we can able to enhance it? So in that one, so we can able to see that hydrostatic drives are getting more and more popular. And the next is the regenerative system. So whatever it is, energies are getting circulated in the machine. So how to regenerate it and be able to save the power, and we can able to downsize the engine capacity. And next thrust is going for that machine automation also. In this regard, we can able to make it so now all the machines is coming, whatever blade control and for your boom control, arm control, so everything is going to be automated. So it means one is full machine automation, another one is a system-wise automation. So this is the thrust is being given. And next coming for machine learning and for autonomous systems. So this is a little far away for Indian, whereas when compared to Australia and other mines, so very much it has been practiced more than decades on this. So we are also working on that. So as a domestic company, so we have come already one stage ahead. So I think that is screens are totally it is blocking the presentation. whatever viewer screens, I think you can put it in the top. The right side.
For the viewers, it will be visible. It is only for you.
Okay.
Don't worry. Yes.
Okay. So this is one of the hybrid systems. So it's getting popular, where you can able to say both. We can dual power is available. One is engine power, another one is for battery operated. So in this configuration, we can able to downsize the engine itself. For example, even 100 kilowatt power engine has been used on conventional. So with this hybrid system, we can able to get the same efficiency operating systems with 75 kilowatt. So it means around 20 to 25% you can downsize the engine power also. So there is a very simple layout I want to just so that audience can able to easily understand that. So there will be engine, and next coming for the PTO. From the PTO directly on hydraulic pump is there. So left side you can able to see that it is coming parallel for motor generator. So if it is coming for this particular circuit, so they are focusing more on swing system. For this on excavator, they want to focus on swing system is electrical, and the drive system and other on boom systems are going mainly on hydraulic systems. So with this hybrid, this is one aspect, and next is a system. It is incorporated as a regenerative also. So during boom lowering and for arm operations, there's a lot of energy we can able to recover it. That can be pumped back into through the systems, the electrical system, and it will be stored in energy, and that can be used as a swing also. So this is the regenerative system. Previous one is without regenerative. These are the two systems are getting popular, and many prototypes are working. As a domestic company also, we are also started working on that. So in this regard, only thing now currently the battery technology, it is not little affordable, and even though some kind of ultra capacitors, all those things are people are trying that. So coming to India, so little bit expensive there, but this is going to be trend. So future, you can say down the level another 10 years, I think everything, every construction equipment and mining machinery, it is going to be definitely with one or other hybrid operations. And the same system is been adopted for loader also. So here also same thing. Here is only drive system. We can able to make it so hydraulic system, because all the implements operations through hydraulic system through pump. Main drive is through electrical only. So this case also regenerative system is there. Whenever we apply brake, we can able to recover the system and we can able to utilize it. So this is notwithstanding that, and people are already tried on Dozer model, because generally for hybrid system and for regenerative, so there is a thought that earlier is only on high-speed equipment like dump truck things and all, the excavators and all. Now it is come for even for Dozer, where it can able for always is going for load factor will be very high. So this case also electrical system is been adopted, and some of the OEMs are already tried. So with this trend, so we can able to even for the green energy, so whatever carbon footprint government of India is looking up, and this technology when you can able to launch it, so we are also planning maybe another 5 years or something. So even though global people are already launched it, so we are little lagging on that as a domestic player. But now at least now we can able to step into that matured system. So whatever learnings other people are making, so we have advantages. We can go one step ahead as a Indian company. And this is a typical hydrostatic drive. So where you can able to have the engine and the pump is there, and from the pump directly it is coming to wheel drive. Here also two motors are there. So this is the layout of it. So from engine it is directly going to pump. From pump it will go to the motor, and the motor will drive directly to Dozer. So this is a system is getting popular, and rather than it's a conventional transmission and final drive, a lot of moving parts are there. Reliability concern is there. So with that we can able to save even for 5% extra energy we can able to get it. So another one is it is going for regenerative. So whatever it will boom recovering regenerative, it is going to be used on almost like we already implemented on all our excavators. So there we can able to see whenever the engine power is there. So through hydraulic pump, first it will go to the boom. When boom is getting lower because of gravity, so excess energy will get just pumped back to the accumulator, whatever, either through this way or from this way. So this whatever it is excess energy, once it is stored in accumulator, it can be used for once again it will be recirculated. So this is already well proven. So we are already established on our BEML equipment. So this is one of the prototype what we made it for hydrostatic drive, and this has been well proven in our army. So we keeping in our army only we have developed it. So it can have a pivot steering, and it has been well proven in the Kargil area, and they can able to use it. And it will another advantage is it is a teleportable. This entire Dozer can be split into 5 modules within 2 hours. So that is an advantage of that. So when hydrostatic drive is there and people set off 10 mechanics, they can able to assemble it, disassemble it in 2 hours, and it can be airlifted wherever they want, heliportable, and it can be reassembled. So this was very much appreciated by Army also. So further we are working on that. And next to come for this is the blade control. So this one of the example is the motor grader we tried. Now, whenever we wanted to go for human interfering when compared to the operations, so we do not have consistent performances, consistent gradability, and operating efficiency is going to come down. So finally, so as a system-wise automated, this is the first step to go for complete automation. This is system-wise. So this we worked with MUBA and even Trimble also. They are there, they're partner to us. And with that, so one of the motor grade also we made it. So there the complete grading. Blade grade control is through the telematics and is a program. So whatever the terrain, whatever the level, when you fix a particular grade, particular level, it will be maintained throughout that. So with this operator also fatigue will come down, and we can able to get the enhanced performances. So this is the systems. I think I can able to share the further more details. These details are available with the technology providers also. So this is a trend. You can say every earth moving equipment nowadays coming with almost like it is telematics and electronics. Earlier, you can say that earth moving equipments hardly some 2 to 3% of electronics involved. Now we can say almost like 50% is electronics involved, 50% is mechanical. So that is a trend we are going for. Every system you take it, drive system or it is for blade control, hydraulics. Without electronics, it is not there. So it's going to make ease of us. So this is what we experimented on this one. So we given to customer also, they are very happy. Complete grading operation is been programmed, and whatever level we program, it will be irrespective of the terrain level. So the blade, it can automatically, it can be lifted and lower, and it can be rotated. So depend upon the ground condition as per the program. So similarly, this can be done for same blade control can be done for the dosing operation also. And this for excavator also. Once we program for the what depth you want to make it. For example, many of the some construction sites underground some high tension cable will be there, and the operators without knowingly, so they'll be digging the cable. So once you know the depth, all those things, control that. Even the operator intentionally wanted to dig it, so it will not, system will not allow it. So complete operation of excavating operations, it has been controlled. We can program it, and it can be remotely also can be controlled. So this is the trend it is going on. And another one, this is a system you can operator fatigue, and it has been very much, it has been insisted by DGMS. Now it is becoming mandatory. You can say as per DGMS norms, it has become mandatory for each and every machine should have operator fatigue monitoring. So where we can able to easily monitor whether operator is fit for operation, whether he is doing some kind of or deviating from the SOP, or he is going for some smoking, all those things. So it's totally, this is going to continuously monitor the operator, and it will be able to give alert to the operator as well as to the control room. So this been the system has been first we imported and tried it, we benchmarked it, and finally we developed our own indigenous system. This is AI built. So we developed 2 vendors. In fact, the cost also whatever imported system, indigenous system, almost like 50% we can cost effective indigenous system we developed it, and now this is becoming a standard product for all our from 2019 onwards. And this is another technology. It is very much, it has been requested, is becoming going to be standard one. It is the telematics and remote monitoring. Mainly, you can, people know whatever Indian conditions and contractors, they are telling that it is whether our machines are utilized correctly, and fuel management is a major concern. They want, because a lot of fuel theft is going on, a lot of pilferage are going on, and where the machines are, whether machines are idle or operator, whether it is operator is going out of that, completely people are monitoring, and they can able to clock it where the machine is traveled from which place to which place, and health monitoring, whether what is the condition of engine, what is the condition of systems, completely can able to monitor. So this also, it is, we developed the indigenous system. So even though global partners are available, so we benchmarked with them and we developed so through indigenous system, and more as a BML, no, we are giving more opportunity to a lot of startups. So this system also we developed. Previous one, whatever fatigue monitoring and this system, we are given opportunity to the startups, and the startup companies, they come out with cost effective. In fact, 6 months back, we demonstrated to Army Deputy Chief also. So he is very much impressed on that. And he was asking us to put it on every machine what you supply to Army, so Tetra machines and all. So now it has been experimented on mining machinery. And he told that it has to be there, all the defense product also should be there. So this is what technology we ourselves can able to engineer it here. So this is a teleoperated dozer we developed it. So this is the first stage of automation. So second stage is we can able to remotely control. So this is we tied up with the DRDO, and together we have developed the teleoperated this existing dozer, which is in-service dozer in Army. And they wanted with respect to wherever in warfooting area and some kind of snowfall is coming there, they don't want to put operator for clearing and road clearing. So this teleoperated dozer also we developed. So this is also going to be trend. Already we got inquiry. So this is the trend. So this I want as a glimpse of that. Each and every topic we can discuss it little elaborately. So I think what is it my time period I feel. Thank you very much.